Welcome guys to yet another video on this channel. Today we shall be reviewing the topic Unlock Your Potential, 11 Convincing Reasons to Kickstart Your Blog. If you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, please do so and join the family. Be sure to like and share our videos. Do you need to start a blog? This is a question that people constantly ask themselves and they wonder if it's a good idea. You can be filled with uncertainty, such as, what do you write about? Which content will you upload? Nobody will read what you write. You do not know about building a website. Having these concerns is okay, but there is no job without challenges. You might even have a few slow months when you start a blog, but you continue to learn and research about blogging over time. Some people often claim that blogging is useless, a waste of time, and doesn't benefit anyone. The reality is that those who criticize blogging also explain why they feel this way and offer evidence. Most of them express opinions from their viewpoints and make generalizations that aren't necessarily true for everyone. Although there might be some good reasons not to start a blog, there are so many more good ones to do so. Here are 11 convincing reasons you should start a blog this year and wait no further. 1. To share information. The primary reason to start a blog is to share valid information, but this doesn't mean you should share unverified information because you want engagement on your blog. First, your information must be genuine and valuable. You should also check your facts and research some verified resources before you share this information. You don't have to do too much and wouldn't have difficulty developing something regular for your blog. Once you find that about you, you should stick to it. Once you have good information and reliable facts about a particular topic, share information with others. You never know who might end up finding it helpful. 2. To inspire others. This should be one of your top reasons to start a blog this year. Once you have discovered your niche and the kind of articles you want to write, these articles should be meaningful and helpful to your targeted audience. One thing about blogging is that whatever you decide to write, either fitness, books, personal development, personal finance, or even health, has to inspire and help others before you think of profit maximization. Your goal should be to inspire others through your writing by sharing experiences that could help others. You have specific experiences that could inspire others, or you could share stories you read. Many people love consuming wholesome and motivational content. You could start a blog around these topics. 3. Improve your skills. Blogging requires many skills, and that is not limited to only writing. It goes beyond content writing. You need to build your website and marketing your blogs and creativity. If you don't have any of these skills, then don't worry. You don't have to know them all at once. Your primary job is to create content through articles, videos, or pictures. Once you do so, then you can figure the rest out slowly. One thing about blogging is that you get better at it once you start. You get to learn new skills and improve on your old ones. These skills include design, content marketing, and community creation, which are helpful as survival skills, and they are not limited to just blogging alone. Over time, these skills will become important every step of the way in terms of your career. 4. To make money from blogging. We would be lying if we told you money shouldn't be the main reason for kickstarting your blog. The goal of every business owner or entrepreneur is profit maximization. It would help if you went into blogging with the mindset of making money for yourself. Once you start blogging, it takes a while to start making profits. All you need is consistency. You can monetize your blog by making money if you have a large audience. You can have a large audience by growing your account through ads, affiliate marketing, and the use of SEOs. While blogging is not a get-rich-quick scheme, you can become very wealthy from your blogging as long as you remain consistent. 5. Build your confidence and self-esteem. Building your self-esteem is one of the hardest things to do, especially when several people might have looked down on you or bullied you. Putting yourself out there is a great way to build confidence and self-esteem. As a blogger, you will be putting yourself, your life, your brand, your content, and your interests, and over time, your confidence will improve naturally. It might not be easy at first because as a beginner, you're unfamiliar with certain things and aspects. You might even get a few hate comments, but that shouldn't deter you. It's more like a baby step approach to building your confidence, but over time, your confidence will continue to grow, heightening your self-confidence as you become a successful blogger and learn new skills. 6. Work from home. The dream of every business person is to have financial freedom and be able to be their boss. Blogging allows you to let your schedule and work at your pace. You can choose when and how much you work, which gives you better flexibility to balance work and personal life. Imagine not having to wake up early and worry about transporting yourself to work during winter. This setup is possible when you start a blog because you'll be working from home. It saves you time, money, and even stress. You could be in your pajamas if you wanted. 7. Make business connections. Blogging lets you connect with like-minded individuals who share your interests and passion. It can eventually lead to making business connections that will build up and sustain your blog's success. You connect with link partners, guest bloggers, and even other bloggers in a similar or in the same niche as you. These relationships can, along the way, breed partnerships and business deals. The benefits of healthy business connections are endless. If you want a piece of writing to go viral, you could make a business connection to have it with their audience and you return the favor. Connecting with other businesses, bloggers, and influencers opens up possibilities for collaborations. You can collaborate on joint projects, co-create content, or even organize events. Collaborations help you reach a broad audience, gain credibility, and create valuable content. However, always remember to approach connections with authenticity, professionalism, and willingness to congratulate value to build a long-lasting relationship. 8. Freedom. Freedom is another excellent reason to kickstart a blog. Freedom allows creating and managing content according to one's schedule and preferences. You can choose topics, writing style, and publishing frequency that aren't present in a 9-to-5 job. The flexibility and freedom blogging provides cannot be overstated. For example, if you only release new articles every afternoon, you can take time off after dropping your new articles. Although blogging requires hard work, a sense of freedom comes with it, especially when it's your full-time job. It allows bloggers to pursue their passion, explore various subjects, and even pursue other skills. It grants individuals independence from traditional employment structures. You get to work from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. Overall, the freedom associated with blogging allows bloggers to empower themselves, pursue their passions, connect with others, and make a meaningful impact. 9. To create opportunities. Blogging can create and bring different opportunities into your life. Whether you're looking for a job, clients, mentors, or collaborators, blogging can help you find them. With your online presence comes a critical aspect of life networking. Blogging lets you showcase your knowledge, skills, and expertise in a particular field or niche, consistently producing high-quality content that provides valuable information and insight can position you as an authority in your industry. Your online presence can help you reach out to a lot of people For example, someone might like your work or articles and offer you a job opportunity. Publications might also approach you to help write for them, significantly impacting professional growth and career advancement. It helps enhance your professional reputation and increase your chances of promotion and freelance projects. 10. Blogs are SEO friendly. SEO means search engine optimization. SEO involves optimizing your blog content to improve traffic and purchase. Blogs are SEO friendly so long as you know what you're doing. You can also heighten engagement and traffic on your website by implementing SEO strategies like keyword research, proper meta tags, and optimized headings. When your blog ranks higher in search engine results, it attracts more traffic and engagement to your blog. When you implement these strategies, you enhance the likelihood of people clicking through to your website. You can also install a great plugin called Yoast SEO, which will further help with SEO if you use WordPress. Also, to be able to rank for keywords, you need to focus on low competitors. This means you shouldn't try to compete with already made brands. Aside Yoast SEO, you can use tools as SEMrush and SE Ranking. 11. To keep track of your life. Some blogs resemble journals or diaries. People write about their daily experiences on blogs. Bloggers who cover travel and style do this frequently. You can participate in it as well if you are interested. It's an excellent habit to journal. Learning from your past can help you build a better tomorrow. There are numerous other advantages to journaling. You can use your blog as an online journal. If you want to write personal posts on your blog, you do not need to make it public. Just keep it between you. In contrast to physical notebooks that might be lost or destroyed, they will always be there. It's time to establish a blog now that you are aware of the benefits. The first step is to choose a platform. We advise you to go with WordPress or Blogger. You can use Medium or LinkedIn if you're only considering producing articles. Make a blog entry for your first piece of content. Utilize images, movies, quotes, etc. Keep your first blog post to yourself if you're unsure about sharing it with others. Add a few more blog entries. Share it on social media with others after you feel as though you have enough knowledge. Heed recommendation from pals. Discover from them. Don't give up. Stay tenacious. If you have watched this video to the end, bravo! To keep up with more amazing contents, hit that notification bell to be notified when we put out new videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!